Hi there! Today I'm going to show you some DIY projects that will literally pull you into the world of creativity. Psst, psst, psst. And trust me, you'll want to try all of this at home. And a little warning, your neighbors might get a bit jealous, or at least very curious. So first things first, we only need one plastic bottle. The neck should be round, like mine. Perfect options are 2-liter soda bottles or shampoo and shower gel bottles. Oh, and labels? Forget about them. They just get in the way. If they're being stubborn, there are 2 ways to deal with them. The first way? Classic. Put the bottle in warm water. The glue softens, but then you'll have to scrub off the residue. Great way to give your fingers a mini workout. The second way, an old pro's trick. Freeze the bottle for an hour. The label slides right off like magic. No glue needed. Pro tip: don't hide it in the freezer. Kids might try to freeze the whole kitchen. Now, let's get precise. The light bulb socket we're using is about 6 inches tall, perfect for marking. Place a marker on it and trace the top of the bottle. Do the same with the bottom. I use a cap to trace the base neatly, fast, clean, and easy. And now for the fun part. Cut the bottle with a craft knife. Why not scissors? Because trying to poke scissors in usually ends in a crooked cut. Once we've cut the top and bottom, we have 3 pieces. Connect them and guess what? It's a fish trap. Yup, we actually used it to catch bait in the summer. And once, our neighbor's cat almost tried to join in, thinking it was a new arcade game. But today, we're using these pieces for something completely different. The top of the bottle looks like a funnel. It needs to be crystal clear so it reflects light as much as possible. The middle section, the tube. Cut it lengthwise and flatten it like a sheet of paper. I gently heat the plastic with a heat gun. It becomes flexible, but be careful, too much heat and you'll get waves. We need a perfectly flat sheet. Now for the key step. Place the bottleneck on the flat sheet and mark the shape. Use a piece of cardboard to protect your work. Made a mistake? No problem. You can adjust without wrecking the plastic. Once it's all marked, carefully cut it out. Tape it in place and voila! A crystal clear piece that looks amazing. And honestly, there's something magical about turning an ordinary plastic bottle into a tool like this. Sometimes even I can't believe it works. So what does it do? Place it over any holographic image from the internet, and you'll get an incredible 3D effect. The picture seems to jump right out of your tablet, all thanks to the dome shape and the angle of the plastic sheet. Pro tip: the first time I tried this with my cat, he almost jumped at the screen, thinking the image was real. So be careful, this illusion really fools your eyes.